Hello, my name is Viviana Yepes. Activity. Create a video and answers that question. Who is your closest friend? How did you meet? How many friends do you have on social networking? Who were your friends when you were growing up? Do you have any friends that have exciting lyrics? Explain. Who is your closest friend? Edgar Perez is my closest friend since I was 15 years old. How did you meet? I met at neighborhood when I was a little girl. He lived near to my house. How many friends do you have on social networking? I have 320 friends on Facebook and 30 on WhatsApp, but I don't start with a lot for them. Basically, I have 5 or 6 friends of trust. Who were your friends when you were grown up? I hear of with my friend Edgar Perez, with Melissa Toro, who lives near to my house. Juan Agudelo, who was my classmate until our graduation. Do you have any friends that have exciting lyrics? Explain why. I have a couple of friends with amazing lyrics. Most of the time they are traveling to other countries around the world and also because they spend a lot of money on expensive clothes and cars.